Hey, Jack with CDL PowerSuite here. Congrats on enrolling in a CDL program. I'm going to show you the steps now after you've received your email to create your account, or if you've hit that registration link, what the registration process will look like. So first thing you're going to do is type in that email address here. So for me, I'm going to say info plus new student at t.com. And then I'm just going to take this and make it my password here, confirm that password, and register. The next thing that's going to happen is it's going to ask you to verify your email. So go check your email right now, and you should have gotten an email asking you to verify your email. Once you click that verify email address, it'll say, hi, your name, and then thanks for signing up with whatever the CDL program name is. You should verify that email. Once you've hit that verified, it'll bring up another screen that says your email has been verified, and then you'll notice the application page will load again. After that's happened, you'll be able to select a location. So I'm going to say I'm training at the main location, and then you'll be able to select the class that you're going to be doing. Now, if your school has already filled this information out for you, it'll be pre-filled out and you won't have to fill it out. But if you're using a registration link or your school has just sent you a link to sign up, this will be the process you go through. Then you can also add any endorsements you want to take. So you select the class you're going to take, and then you're going to select any endorsements you'd like to add. So I selected the Class A CDL training, and then if I wanted to add in endorsements, let's just say, hey, I want to add hazmat. Awesome. And then we can hit this next button. Now this is going to bring you to your personal information. So I'm going to type in my name here. And so that's going to be Jack. And then I'm going to type in a phone number here. This is going to be a dummy phone number there. And enter my date of birth manually. And then type in your driver's license 2 times here. Address. We're out here in Spokane and Washington. And then there might be some other questions that a school will ask you to fill out. So on here, these are the ones we have pre-selected. Your school may have other questions that you need to fill out. So anything with the red dot, you have to fill out. Anything that's not with the red dot is not mandatory, but your school may still ask you to fill that out. So for this, I'm not a military veteran, male, and then funding, I'm going to say I'm self-paid. Check this box if you prefer an automatic vehicle. I'm not going to check it because I prefer to do a manual vehicle. And then we can type in an emergency contact name and then another phone number for that emergency contact. And then I'm going to hit next. Now this will pop up a verification code. So you need to verify your phone number. For whatever reason, you type in your phone number wrong, or you want it to, or you don't want to verify your phone number. You can always hit the cancel button if you don't want that to be a part of the process. However, we do recommend that you do that so your school can communicate with you. Otherwise, they're not going to have an easy way to communicate with the whole class in a moment's notice. Hit that cancel there. Then this is going to bring you to the enrollment page. If you get to another page that's a deposit page, you'll have to go through that process. So some schools will ask you to fill out a deposit page before they drop you into the enrollment agreement. So that may be something you do before you come to the enrollment agreement page. For this demonstration, we don't have a deposit page. We just have the enrollment agreement. So now I'm going through the enrollment agreement. I'm going to read each term very carefully so I understand what is going to be part of the CDL program. And once you get to the end of the term, there's going to be a button that says, I have read and agreed to the terms above. So let's pretend that I read through it and I'm agreeing to the terms. I'm going to agree to every term that's in here. And then at the end of that, I'm going to sign my name. Sign my name electronically, hit this done button, and then you're going to hit this finish button. Now it's going to take a second to bring you into your portal because what's happening here is all that information you just did is compiling into a PDF. So then your school and you will have access to that information. As soon as that information has been compiled, it'll drop you into the student portal here. And then you'll be good to go, ready to train for that first day of school. I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck with your CDL training. Have a good one.